Hey guys, today I'm going to share you about my God that means I found in my history book is like our God was born in I think 1787 and his mother's name was Bhakti Mata because they're both from India. You might have not gone to India. Bhakti Mata is her mom's name and his dad's name was Dharamdev. So it started off in a day where they're going, those stuff, there's this wood, straight wood, and there's the clothing, stuff like that, mattresses, like that. It was, over top, and, they put the stick this so it stands and this part stays. And there's cows in the front, and there's there's a wheel down there and the cow's there and the string gets tied to the cow. And then when the cow goes, that cradle moves as well. So the people sitting there and the person that drives in, he rocks them so they can go forward and forward. So it started off that day when they were singing along in the cradle. I'll just say it as cradle. So it started off in a cradle where they were all in the cradle and they were singing. That time, some bad guys just found out. So they came to steal it. And her mom had a baby. But luckily, there was one more, a little bit of sheet. And, that part. And, a little half there. Then the half, they were sitting. And behind the half, it was her mom in there with her baby. Because she can't walk, because they've got a big fat tummy when they get a baby. So it started with that. And then some bad guys came. They just saw. And then the bad guys said, "Stop right over there. Give me all the gold you have." So they said, "Sir, I don't have any gold." They were frightened. But Dharamdev, that means his dad. I'll just say Dharamdev as his dad. Because that's his real name. So Dharamdev said that he was staying silent. He was just feeling happy for no reason. And the other person was like, and then they said, "Sorry, I don't have any money. Just please leave." So they said, these guys are foolish people. That's what the bad guy said. And then he started saying, the person that was driving in, "God, when will you give us these people away from us? These bad guys, these foolish people." So his dad, Dharamdev, said that whatever God has done is real, it's true, it's for us, it's okay. And whatever God is doing is right. And also, when there's bad guys, there's no such thing they just give it and it's finished. Because it 2 times happened to my mom and dad. Yeah, but that time I wasn't there. I was up. So it started off there, and after that, they came back to their village, and there was the king of the village. No, the prime minister. He used to be the prime minister of there, and he got a baby. So he got a baby, but the baby, he didn't know the baby was actually God. The baby came in God's place. So it started off after they were wishing to get a girl, but they got a boy. So, and when he was playing outside, after a few days, he was playing outside, and he was still a baby, and the animals were him because he knew that this was God, and God can talk to animals, anyone. So when they were there, then this dark person, that was evil's person, that's got the power of evil, he said that he went to the witch's place and said, please come up with a fire. He said, please come up, evil, please come up, evil. And then the witch came up and he said, you have to destroy that little baby because he's in God's place. So she said, only a baby that's going to be in God's place? That's so easy. And she said, and I can't even say no, because then all the witches will laugh on me. So then she went there, and these really, really heavy wheels out there. And there were two of them. So in the house, the God was in the middle of the house, touching the wall, and this monkey was playing with him, and the others. And then she done like this, like shh. And then this time went that way, and that time went that way, and I was gonna crush, but the monkey helped, and he pushed it. So God, and he was in the middle of the God, so God couldn't get so God didn't get dead. That's why. And then when the God touched him, all of his powers suddenly came back. And they were just like, and then he got another two and tried to squish him again. No, there was a different one. Then he got a big, long branch of a tree, and she made it fell down. But the monkey again helped. He held it hard as he could, and he pushed it. For God only. He knew that it was God. So after he saved it, like after a few days, he got some friends and everything. And then he was playing outside tag, and then when they were doing God praying, we don't go to church, but we stay at our house, and we have a temple. We can go sometimes to the temple. So they're at their house praying to God. And each time, instead of their guru, that means their God, he could see his child, his father. So his big brother said that you might have loved him so much, that's why you can see him. So his dad said, I also love you, then why can't I see you? So he said, so his brother said, you might love him more because he's really cute. So he said, maybe. Because he didn't know that his baby, his child was actually God. So that started, and his dad said, okay, you go to the birds and don't let them eat our, seeds. They're kind of like plant seeds. They come really long, and there's seeds inside, and they grow, and the birds always eat them. So he said, go and take a stick and whack them if they come. But it's God. God can break that. God can't break that. Like you see, if you make a volcano that can explode, you don't want to break it because you made it so hardly. Like that. God can't even do that to birds. So let's start it off like that. So he's saying, beautiful birds, I know I can't do anything to you. So what he done is my hands a little bit. So he done that. He just done that, and they were all in like freeze. Samadhi they were in samadhi. Samadhi means that they were in God praying with their eyes open. Because God done that to them, but nothing happened to them. And then he went out to play. And then his brother saw him. So he said, look what you're doing. The birds are eating every seed, and you're playing. So he said, no, there's no birds eating anything. So his brother said, come with me, I'll show you. And he took him there, and then he found out what's happened to them. Are they dead? Are those birds dead? So he said, no, they're not dead. And then he done that again. He said, they're in Samadhi, and he done that, and they all flied all over it. And his brother was like, yay! He was running around, and after that, he slept. And I'll tell you the rest of the story tomorrow, okay, guys? Bye. See you later.